Hello, today we will guide you through how to find best campaign in Whop. To get started, open Whop and go to the home page. This is your starting point for browsing the platform and finding available campaigns. Once the page loads, take a moment to get oriented with the layout so it's easier to follow the next steps. From the home page, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Discover. This section is designed to help you explore offers, communities, and campaigns across the platform. If you do not immediately see everything on the screen, you may need to scroll slightly or wait a moment for the page to fully load. After that, once you are in the Discover area, click on Discover again at the top of the page. This brings you into the main Discovery view where campaigns are listed more clearly. The goal here is to make sure you are looking at the full campaign browsing section, rather than just a general feed or landing area. Now that you are viewing the campaigns, focus on the bottom of each campaign card. There, you will see a number displayed. This number is the key detail you want to pay attention to when trying to find the best campaign. As you compare different options, look for campaigns with a higher number. This helps you quickly identify which campaigns may be performing better or getting more traction compared to others. As you scan through the list, take your time and compare multiple campaign cards instead of selecting the first one you see. The main idea is to use that bottom number as a simple way to evaluate and sort through your choices. If several campaigns look similar, that number can help you decide which one stands out. If the page contains many campaigns, scrolling carefully can help you review more options before making a decision. It can also be useful to revisit the Discover page from time to time, since listings and performance indicators may change. That's all there is to it. Open Whop, go to the home page, select Discover from the left navigation, click Discover again at the top, and then compare the numbers shown at the bottom of each campaign to find the strongest option. By following this quick process, you can evaluate campaigns more efficiently and make a more informed choice inside Whop.